everybody. Have a nice day. I'm Dr. Rajni here, educationist, and today we are going to see something interesting, mudras. A simple mudras, how it's going to de-stress your brain. There are many things happening in and around that you might have heard from the people telling that I'm stressed. Always people used to say that this word stress, I'm stressful, I'm stressed, please leave me alone for some time. So in this way people used to say. Once the people get angry and they throw the words, and then emotionally or whatever way if they express, and the mind becomes free. But the people who cannot able to show their anger or by words or by action, throwing something, so in this way if the people are doing something, then their stress level can be reduced. So the people who cannot able to do all these things, like a silent killer, the people who sit in one of the corner, or if they are crying out also, sometimes they may burst out with their stress. But the people who are unable to do such type of things, they sit in the corner silent and they keep everything in their mind and they feel it as stressful. So this really keeps the people to get affected with some cardiac arrest. So whenever they feel stressed, in this case they can do some simple mudras. The people who are really doing the Bharatanatyam, the classical dance, which is very famous in Tamil Nadu, and they can have different kind of mudras. The people in those days, all the ladies, they used to do Bharatanatyam as well as the Carnatic music. The moment once they are coming to see the bride, for all those bride or bridegroom, when they are seeing, the first question they will ask is whether the lady can sing a song or they can dance or they can cook. In this way only the questions will be there. The reason why, because there are many mudras which is there in yoga as well as Bharatanatyam, which will be useful to us in many ways. Come on, now let us see how this mudras can be useful to de-stress you. First mudra, you can see this. You take this finger, you mean the ring finger, and hold like this. You hold it tightly by keeping this thumb finger and press on this. Similarly, in both the hands, what you can do is you press on that and keep it so that this will reduce your stress. So you can keep in this way for some seconds and do it for frequently, of course, for 10 to 20 times. These gestures, these mudras will help you to reduce your stress. The second one is the same ring finger and the thumb finger, you press on the tip of the finger. The same way you can hold it tightly and press tightly by using your thumb as well as your ring finger. This is the second mudra, what you can do for your de-stressing your mind and keep your mind relaxed in a relaxed manner. Then the next one is using the index finger as well as the thumb. Keep like this the yoga and munis when they are sitting and doing the meditation. This is a posture for meditation where they will be doing the meditations keeping on their knee. By sitting, by folding their legs and sitting, this is the yoga technique and meditation posture what they will be doing. So use these mudras also in the same way to de-stress your mind. The next one, with the same thing, what you have to do is similarly you press tightly by holding the thumb finger, the index finger can be holded like this by the thumb. In the same way, if you do this, also will reduce your stress. So this is the fourth mudra what you have to do. It's nothing but if you practice by just sitting or watching TV or in a different way. Whenever you sit leisurely, you can do these practices. The next final fifth mudra is nothing but by using the ring finger as well as the small finger. So these two can be used in this way. You hold like this. You have to hold like this. Similarly, you can hold this also. So in this way, if you do it, so these 5 mudra, this is the 5th mudra what you have to do. Press it tight so that these kind of an called acupuncture kind of a tip of the fingers will help you to reduce your stress and balance your mind, and you will feel relaxed. Hope this 5 mudras will help you to develop your de-stress. Whenever you feel like stressed, do it and you will feel relaxed. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video with some other topic. Thank you.